Alright guys, so I received an email. It said your unused video verification will be deleted in 30 days. So I honestly got a heart attack, and it said you completed video verification over a year ago, and I don't remember when I did that. It said because you haven't used those features, your video verification will be deleted from your Google account in 30 days. If you want to keep advanced feature, which is YouTube advanced feature, you can choose to keep your video for 1 more year in your Google account. So if you are like me, if you come to these your channel, come to settings and come to this channel, over here you can see feature eligibility, and if you have this channel history checkmark, you shouldn't be worried, because once you build your channel history, you don't need this video verification. That's what I learned reading this thing under. So it said it's usually deleted in a few months after you build sufficient channel history. Because I have the sufficient channel history is checkmarked, I don't need this video verification anymore. Yeah, those of you did with a valid ID, I don't know about that, but if you don't have this checkmark, you are in kind of trouble. I don't know, because you might need to do this video verification of again. So yeah, I actually didn't realize when I have this channel history checkmark, because I'm doing YouTube over 10 years, and I'm monetized since 2018. So yeah, again, if you found this video informative, comment below. See you guys on the next video.